Humans are unique in the evolutionary sequence of life due to several key features and capabilities that distinguish them from other species. Here's a detailed look at some of these unique aspects. Cognitive abilities. Complex brain structure. The human brain is highly developed, particularly the neocortex, which is involved in higher-order functions like reasoning, language, and complex thought processes. This allows for advanced problem-solving, abstract thinking, and the ability to plan for the future. Language and communication. Humans possess an unparalleled capacity for language, which enables complex communication, the sharing of ideas, and the ability to build and transmit culture across generations. This linguistic ability is not just about speaking but includes reading, writing, and the ability to create and interpret symbolic systems. Social structure and culture. Advanced social structures. Human societies are incredibly complex, with intricate social hierarchies, norms, and institutions. This includes the development of communities, cities, and nations, as well as sophisticated systems of governance and economics. Culture and art. Humans create and appreciate art, music, literature, and various forms of cultural expression. This cultural richness contributes to the diversity of human experiences and the ability to pass down knowledge and traditions. Technological innovation. Tool use and technology. While other animals use tools, humans have taken this to extraordinary levels. The development of technology, from simple stone tools to advanced computers and space exploration, demonstrates a unique capacity for innovation and adaptation. Moral and ethical reasoning. Ethical and moral reasoning. Humans have developed systems of ethics and morality, which guide behavior and social interactions. This includes the ability to reflect on actions, understand the concept of justice, and make decisions based on abstract principles of right and wrong. Genetic and evolutionary traits. Genetic adaptations. Specific genetic adaptations have played significant roles in human evolution, such as those related to bipedalism, which freed the hands for tool use and manipulation. Other adaptations include those for endurance running, which helped early humans in hunting and migration. Conservation and diversification of genetic sequences. Genetic sequences in humans exhibit both conservation and diversification. Conserved sequences, shared among diverse species, encode essential functions, while divergent sequences contribute to the unique traits of humans, such as advanced cognitive abilities and susceptibility to certain diseases. Role of DNA. DNA as information storage. Human DNA is a sophisticated information storage system, encoding and preserving genetic information through intricate molecular structures. This enables the transmission of hereditary traits and supports the complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors in human development and evolution. Interconnectedness of life. Evolutionary significance. The formation of biomolecules and the emergence of life highlight the evolutionary significance of molecular processes that laid the groundwork for the development and adaptation of living organisms. This interconnectedness underscores the unity of all natural phenomena, from the cosmic to the biological. These aspects collectively contribute to the unique position of humans in the evolutionary sequence of life, reflecting a combination of biological, cognitive, social, and cultural factors that set humans apart from other species.